I'm the tomato goblin. Today we're gonna be gobbling up some tomato sauce. How do you make it? Well, it's pretty easy, boss. Check it out. 2, 3, just take tomatoes and some butter or olive oil if you're sensitive. Take some basil and rosemary, those herbs are nice and plentiful. Get some sugar or some stevia if you really need that stuff. Get some more tomatoes in a can, 'cause it'll make it better than the freshest ones you know are good, but in the can they should be a little bit salty. I like salt. And now keep adding that stuff until you got as much as you need. There's no such thing as greed for a goblin. And then to make it really great, add some garlic. But don't wait, it's got a bite. Ugh, what are you doing to me? Ugh, the undead are a nasty sight. Cook it good till it's almost brown. Then add your herbs and get down. Speaking of, add more of that stuff. Just kidding. That didn't hurt. Speaking of, add more of that stuff.